problem of overweight and the poor quality of your tiffin. Friends, there is something common between you and me, that we all are doing some kind of a work during our weekdays, and we all are depend on some things to earn money in our life. But usually what we forget that our health is our main priority, and because of the good health, because of the two legs and because of the two hands, we are earning money in our life. But what I have seen in most of the people, especially in the working class, that they are doing just opposite in their office. What opposite they are doing? That they are consuming good food in their home, but they are consuming bad food or the not quality food in their office. Although they are spending their most precious time of the day in their office only, but still they are not consuming the good food. That's why they have the problem of overweight, and many of the corporate executives and corporate workers has the tummy out after their 25 years of age. Health, happiness, immunity, and to have great body. This is my goal for every client, for everybody.
This is how legends are made.
Hi, my name is Bhupendra and I'm an online fitness coach. I'm a lifestyle expert. I'm on the mission to transform 100,000 working class people of India who are depressed because of overweight and poor health into happy, healthy, immune, and to have a great body. That's why I have created a course known as Automatic Metabolism Reset System. Friends, in this video, I'm going to cover up the topic of that how you can improve the quality of your tiffin, or you can improve the quality of the food which you can take along with your work. Friends, as we all know that I still remember that when I used to work in my corporate office, once I have improved my habits, the impact of my weight has drastically changed. And today I'm going to tell you about what are the 3 changes which I have made in my tiffin during my corporate work time. Friends, the number 1 change which I have made, that I have started taking the lean sources of protein into my tiffin. Tofu, chicken, egg whites, cottage cheese. These all are some of the good options which you should bring into your tiffin, and you must consume at the time of your lunch. Because the lean sources of the protein has the quality that if we are going to consume them, then it's going to take more energy from out of our body to digest them. That's why it automatically increases the thermogenesis energy of our body, which help you out to lose your weight. And although the protein is one of the macronutrient like the carbohydrate, fat, and protein, these are the 3 pillars of your diet. If any one of them missing, then it means that you have to do something about it, because our body does not require any carbohydrate or glucose. Our body has the quality that it can convert fat into energy or protein into energy also. So there is a requirement of essential amino acid, essential fatty acid, but no essential carbohydrate acid or essential glucose acid. So that's why you need to be concerned on this, that you should bring protein into your tiffin every day, every time. And if you are looking forward to lose your weight, then you must consume a lean sources of protein, which I have mentioned earlier. The second thing which you need to do is, secondly, you need to bring some snacks along with you. The number 1 snack which you should have is the almond or an apple, and you should have at the time of 11 AM or 4 PM. These all are the common food items which you can bring along with your tiffin, and easily you can consume it, where all the people were running behind some junk food and some of the poor foods. But you could have the power of almonds or apple in your pocket. Use them. The third thing which you need to do is stop consuming tea in your office or sugar consumption, or at least make it minimum in your office time. Friends, if you are going to do only this one thing, then you will see the miraculous changes into you. Usually the working class people has some problem like the binge eating and the malnutrition problem. And if you quit your sugar just in your office timing, then you will see the changes that your binge eating is been stopped. Friends, although if you want to replace the habit of tea or the milk tea, then you can use the pouches of the soups like the Knorr soup and any of the company, the 10 rupees or 20 rupees of soups. They are really good for you. Although they have also the 40 calorie, 50 calorie, but they are far better than the tea or the sugar. And you should have in your office timing those soups, because once again it's going to make your metabolism fast and it is going to make full your stomach, and this is what you need. If your stomach is full, then you are not going to grab your hand into your food. Friend, these are some of the things if you are going to do, then you will going to find some changes into you. It is going to be easy? No. It is a one-day task? No. But is it worth it? Yes. If I can do, then you can also. Friends, it's a say that if you cannot buy health by spending the money. But if you have health, then it is a most precious saving accounts within yourself. So you should not spend it on the junk food or the poor dieting, especially when you are a working person. Friends, if you want to change some of your habits and if you want to know more about the fitness, workout routine, diets, how to cure the problem of binge eating, then I like to invite you on my 5-day WhatsApp bootcamp classes, where I help out people in 5 days to achieve their fitness, or especially to avoid the problems or to cure the problems of the binge eating by resetting their metabolism. Friends, the name of my course is Automatic Metabolism Reset System. I have also created a Facebook group where usually I go live and give my knowledge or information to my private group, and after that usually I share it on my Facebook also. But I am usually live on my Facebook group. Even I also do my workout over there, so that you can learn and get inspired from doing the workout, and you can learn that how a person can do the workout from the benefit of their home. And you can also ask live question answer with me on Facebook group. Then do join my group also. Although I have also have the ebook in which you're going to find out the 7-day free diet chart along with some of the home-based workouts. So download it now. And you can also join my Telegram group. You should also join or like my YouTube video also, and subscribe my channel. Friends, if you are looking forward for some serious fitness changes, if you are looking forward to change your personality, or you want to lose your weight up to 10 kg, then you can join any of the things, or you can contact me also on my phone number, which is what I'm giving you right now. Feel free to contact me or message me directly. This is the fitness friend Bhupendra signing out for now, and I know that you all can do it. You all just need to know your